Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to assemble Ikea MICKE desk. That's the one here. You're gonna have some small storage space and two drawers. You can choose the storage on either side. In this case, we're gonna go with this side. Let's do it now. MICKE desk from Ikea. That's what you're getting in the box. This is all the parts what you're getting with this MICKE desk. Fair amount of the screws, some drawer rails, cover for the cable management for the top desk. As you can see, you can have the storage on the left or on the right, and we're gonna go with the right side. Let's do it now.
You can open all drawer rails, screws, put them in one box. You can have them all in one place, quite a lot of them. And we're starting with the dividing panel, two wooden plugs. This panel is gonna be combined of three panels, so this one is the smaller one, is coming right on the top of it, connected with the two wooden plugs, and two wooden plugs on the other side connecting the smallest panel. Can put that on the side for now. This is the side panel, 3 holes on the left. We're building the storage space on the right side, and this is the smaller side panel, and I have 3 holes as well. So we're gonna put 4 screws, 4 long screws with a long neck on the one side and 4 screws on the other side panel. Just go till the stopper, no deeper or not higher. Drawer rail, one on one side, another one on the other side, and secure it with the 2 screws. Don't forget, the wheels is always at the front. And now we can connect the dividing panel. I'm gonna put 4 locks, 3 in one panel and 1 on the slim panel, and exactly the same on the other side. 3 locks on the bigger panel and 1 metal lock on the top. Don't forget to put the arrow on each lock in the right direction, mean facing the holes. 1 wooden plug in a small slim panel from each side, and we can connect with the leg or with the side panel. Find the right holes, tap it in from the side. Once you're in, you can secure all 4 locks, just twist them to the right side and secure the connection. Exactly the same on the other side panel. I'm using 2 different electric screwdrivers for this job, one smaller one, one bigger one. The bigger one is combination with a drill as well. The smaller one is just electric screwdriver. Both tools very useful for any flat pack furniture assembly, make your job much more easier. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Rail, 2 screws. At the bottom of the panel is gonna be 2 long screws. That's the same screw with the neck. Last side panel, the second part for the hinge. You can put them in. You're gonna secure them with the 2 screws. Secure it right on the middle of the hole, so you have a you're gonna be more flexible when you're gonna adjust the hinges. So just secure it with the 2 screws. There's gonna be small dividing panels, just 2 wooden plugs on each side. And we can place it in the middle panel. This is going to be the bottom panel, doesn't have any wooden plugs, just the metal locks. Here you see I'm always pointing the arrow in the right direction, and still did mistake in this one. See, I'm pointing on the wrong side, so I find out, then I have to twist it. If I leave it like that, would be not able to connect it with the side panel, so arrow on the lock, always facing the hole. And now bottom panel, place it in and secure the locks, twist them to the right side. On the last side panel, 2 long screws till the stopper and the drawer rail secured with the 2 screws. The wheel on the rail at the front again, and we can close the side panel at the bottom and on the top. Secure the bottom 2 locks, just twist them to the right side, and we can get ready for at the top desk. We're gonna have 2 wooden plugs on each side of the side panels, 2 locks, 2 metal locks. That's applied to all panels, so 2 wooden plugs on each side panels and 2 metal locks on each panel. Of course, the arrow on the lock in the right direction, facing the holes. This is the top panel. We're gonna have 6 screws. It's exactly the same screw with the long neck. 2 on the middle and 2 on each side. Don't go deeper than the stopper gonna let you, otherwise you're gonna have hard time locking the screws, and don't go higher than the stopper as well, exactly the same. Gonna have hard time to lock the screws in. So we can find the right holes, tap it all in. It was quite hard here because there was 6 screws at the same time, but we get there. If it goes too hard, you can put it upside down and secure it this way. If it goes still hard, you may put the arrow in the wrong direction, so you're not able to come in completely. In this case, it was just hard to come in. All the arrows are in the correct order. So now we can secure the locks. There's 2 locks on each side. Just secure the top panel. This is the last side, exactly the same. Twist the lock to the right side. It's gonna be plastic legs on the storage part, so there's gonna be 4 of these. And now we can place the metal leg. In this case, we're going storage on the right side, so the leg is on the left. Secure it with the 3 screws, 3 long screws. Those I find a little bit hard to come in, so I use electric screwdriver here. You can find all the links for the tools used in this video in the descriptions. If you don't want to work too hard or you have a lot of stuff to assemble, electric screwdrivers are very useful for any furniture assembly or DIY project. And plastic stickers if you have wooden floors, that's useful, so you're not gonna scratch your floors. If you have a carpet, it's useless because they're gonna go off as soon as you slide the table. Okay, now we can prepare. This is the cable management cover. Just stick it to the top. And drawers. This is the side panels for the drawers. You're gonna have 4, as we have 2 drawers. So 4 wooden plugs, 1 in each side panel, and 1 metal lock in each of the side panels. Drawers front, 2 long screws just till the stopper. It's exactly the same screws with the long neck. 2 in each drawer, and we can put the side panel of the drawers in, find the right holes and secure the lock. It's exactly the same on the other side. 2 side panels for the drawers, find the right hole and secure the lock. The bottom panel of the drawer and back panel of the drawer. Secure it with a plastic plug And exactly the same on the other side. Place it in, find the right hole, secure it. Drawer rail. The wheel on the rail is at the back of the drawer and secured with 2 screws. Same on the other side. Wheel on the drawer rail at the back and secure it with the 2 screws. Small drawer, exactly the same, bottom part and the back part of the drawer. Place it in, find the right hole, secure it with a plastic plug on each side. Drawer rails, wheel at the back again and 2 screws securing each rail. Other side exactly the same, the wheel on the rail on the back of the drawer and 2 screws securing drawer rail. Now we're gonna have a door, so we're gonna put 2 hinges in. It's gonna be secured with the 2 screws. All the holes are pre-drilled, so you don't need to be worried where they're going. This is the plugs for the shelves. You're gonna have 4 on each side. It's gonna be 8 plugs in total, and gonna have 2 shelves in this storage. Just place them in, they go quite hard, so you need to use hammer. And we can place the shelves in. So there's 2 shelves, one on the top, one on the bottom. They are adjustable, so if you change your mind, you can reposition it the way you like it. Doors, I'm gonna find those 2 screws and place it in, secure the hinge with a screw right on the middle, and we can check if there is any gap on the side, if there is an equal gap on the side. If not, you can adjust the hinge with an adjustable screw, that's one here, in or out, up and down with the other screws. So close it. If the gap is equal, you can adjust the hinge up and down if you need. Unlock those 4 screws, 2 on each hinge, push the hinge up and secure the screws back. Now when the door's adjusted, you can place the plastic like a rubber sticker on the shelf that just prevent the doors from slamming. And we can place the drawer, just wheels over the wheels, and slide it in. It should go nice and easy. If not, something's going on, something's wrong. So wheel over the wheel and slide the drawer in. Exactly the same with the bigger drawer. Wheel over the wheel and slide the drawer in. You're gonna cover the extra holes with the stickers which you find in the box. So there's 2 stickers for each side. And we're done.
Okay, and this is it, Ikea MICKE desk. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you will make my day, and see you in my next one very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Thumbnail, 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 thumbnail. That's the one here. Cut. Okay, and this thumbnail, 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 assembly, thumbnail, assembly, thumbnail. So